The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Very sorry about my voice. Hopefully it'll clear up here in a little bit. I'm not sick or anything. It's just 5 a.m. And the reason I'm filming at 5 a.m. is because of scheduling issues. The main issue being I don't know how to make a schedule. So anyway, here we are very, very early in the morning. I don't even have coffee yet. Oh no. But we are going to be doing an unboxing, the best way to start the day. Oh, it doesn't even feel like real life. I feel like I'm floating. Is this what all people feel like when they wake up really early in the morning? You know, those morning people, which are an entirely different breed of human being than I am. I applaud you, morning people. I applaud you. Today we're going to be looking at the Kinder Beauty box, which it has been a few months since we've actually done one of these unboxings here. I'm really excited to see what's in store for the month of December, and this video is also sponsored by Kinder Beauty, so thank you so very much for supporting the channel. They've also offered a coupon code for you guys for your very first box. If you'd like to give Kinder Beauty a try, you can use the coupon code Alexandria at the link down below to get 25% off your first box. Okie dokie, so I'm going to start getting into this a little bit while I tell you guys a bit more about Kinder Beauty. It was started by Daniela Monet and Ivana Lynch, who seem just like the sweetest people ever. I have to say that one time, which I probably already told this story, but Ivana Lynch messaged me on Instagram and said that she saw my video of one of these unboxings and she liked it, and I was like, thank you. That was very exciting for me. Anyway, they seem like very, very sweet people who care a lot about the world. And that is why this box is full of kind things that are kind to the world, kind to people, kind to animals. All the packaging is very natural. The box is made out of recycled materials. Everything inside the box comes from company. It's like my mouth isn't moving correctly. My tongue's too big. Everything inside the box comes from companies that are vegan and 100% cruelty free. Also, a portion of the proceeds from all these boxes go to like an animal charity, which I think is fantastic. They are the fastest growing clean, vegan, and cruelty free beauty subscription box. Each month the box costs $24, but you are guaranteed at least a $75 value, and this little card right here says that you can actually get an up to $165 value, which is pretty cool. But again, like I said, if you'd like to use my code, you can get 25% off your first box, which I think is like $6 or something. Is that the correct math? Wow, you guys, that introduction literally took me 8 minutes and 17 seconds to try to get through because I don't know what words are right now. Okie dokie, so let's go ahead and get on into the actual box itself. We have a little pamphlet here which will tell us about the stuff inside of the box, so I'm going to set that to the side. Okay, I'm seeing a doggy wearing a unicorn horn, so I think that's the first thing we're gonna pull out of here. All right, is this really a unicorn horn for your dog? Oh, I wish Steve was here. Okay, I don't think it's actually a unicorn horn for your dog, even though that would be very adorable. I think they're just very cutely demonstrating it on some little puppies here. So this is the Hair Go Away Hollow Glow Hair Wrap, and it's supposed to keep your hair back while you're doing your makeup and your beauty routine. They're the little puppies I was talking about. Also, very sorry about my fingernails. I was gonna paint them before I did this video, but it's 5 a.m. So, oh my gosh, it's like a whole thing. Okay, it says you can make yourself a unicorn or a bunny. Well, we gotta try that now, don't we? So on the inside of it, there's actually like a structured little like wire or something to keep it to where it can stand up on its own. It's a very cool material. Again, I make the same reference every time, but I have no other like futuristic Disney Channel original movies to reference. It reminds me of Xenon. It has not exactly like a plasticky feel to it, but it's very smooth. You could also make like a stylish neck scarf, make it look like you're constantly in the wind. It's gonna be unicorn or bunny. Let's go bunny first. Oh my gosh, my head's so big. I don't have much room for ears. Kind of love it. Okay, so this is a bunny, and then if you just keep twisting it together, you get a unicorn. Oh, it's so early. Okay, this is really cute, and I like it. It makes it super easy to get your hair out of your face because like the structure of it, you can just push it back and turn it or twist it around once. I think this is pretty adorable and you could do some fun stuff with it. Okay, next up we just have like a little packet. Excuse me. Hiccup attacked me out of nowhere. This is the Rawganic Facial Wipe with organic aloe vera and green tea. It's supposed to be a biodegradable organic cotton wipe soaked in nutrient-filled water to cleanse and refresh the skin. This only comes with one wipe. It would be nice if there was a few more in there. My gosh, those fingernails are just horrendous. That didn't work. It says it's supposed to remove waterproof mascara, which is really nice. I'm guessing this is probably just like a little sample of these just so you can test them out. Okay, next up in here we have something from The Kind Poppy, which I'm pretty sure I've received something from them before, probably in the Kinder Beauty box. This is a Frosted Clementine Bath Bomb. I think this is pretty cute. It looks like really handmade looking, which I really like. And judging by the adorable little Santa hat on the Poppy logo, I'm guessing this is like a holiday scent. Oh, it's golden. There's gold on it. So there's some like golden little flakes on it. It does have a really nice scent to it, kind of like a citrusy scent, but a little bit on the sweet side as well. That is nice. Okay, next up in here we have a little bottle of serum, and recently I've been having some pretty bad luck with serums. Not in like their actual performance, they haven't been making me break out or anything, but I've spilled several bottles of very expensive oil recently. So here's how to hope that I'm not going to spill this one. Anyway, this is, oh, that's cute. The name of this is Dirty Lamb. This is the Ultra Night Serum that's supposed to hydrate and protect. I, for one, could definitely use some hydration right now. I don't know if it's this just very crisp winter air that's making my face dry out like crazy or what it is, but it looks like somebody's taken like a hose and just like sucked all the moisture out of my skin. I don't even know if you guys can see this. I just saw my chin today. I'm starting to look like Thanos. Give me just a second. Y'all are probably not gonna be able to see this, but I looked in the mirror and there's all these little wrinkles, like lines straight down my chin from how dry my skin is. It's literally like shriveling in on itself, which is probably a lot more information than you needed to know. Anyway, it says our high antioxidant blend of fatty acid oils will keep your skin hydrated through the night. Wheat germ oil is nature's powerhouse. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Vitamin E that will bring liveliness to your night skin. Sweet dreams are on the way with a hint of lavender. So you just rub it around in your hands. Apparently you only need a couple little drops. Oh, it does smell good. It definitely has like that lavender scent to it, which is not what I need right now because I'm already like 3 seconds away from just like sleeping in this chair in front of this camera. Alrighty guys, and the very last thing in here is a little, I'm guessing lip gloss. It looks kind of shiny from Lip Love. This is the, it's not lipstick or lip gloss. I guess I was very wrong. This is a vegan, cruelty-free and plant-based lip product because it's not a lip gloss or lip balm, so I'm very intrigued on seeing what it actually is. I don't see a shade on here, but it does look really pretty. It's almost like a brick red or something with little gold shimmers to it. What is it? Let me take off my other lip gloss first because I don't know what's happening on my mouth. Oh, it's like a lip oil, I think. It doesn't have like any of the stickiness of a gloss really, but it doesn't feel like thick enough really to be a liquid lip, and I don't think it's gonna dry down. Yeah, it definitely feels like a lip oil because there's absolutely no stickiness to it. Oh man, I can definitely see my Thanos lines right now. What the heck? Oh, I actually quite like this color. It's not nearly as dark as I thought it was gonna be just based on this. It goes on pretty sheer, just like a lip oil, I guess. That's interesting. Feels pretty nice on the lips. I'm not detecting too much of a taste or anything. Again, not too heavy or not too sticky, so yeah, I like this. I should just go ahead and just whack off the bottom of my hair. I keep pushing it behind my shoulder because I don't like how it looks in front of my shoulder, so I should just chop it off. That might be the 5 a.m. in me talking. Alright, so let's go ahead and go through the little pamphlet here so I can tell you guys, oh cute! Okay, so I can tell you guys the prices for all of these items. I have to say I really like how their little fold out pamphlets look. I think they're super adorable. And I do also like that all of their stuff is made from recycled materials. I think that's pretty cool. So we have the twist tie hair wrap or a cosmetic travel pouch. So you could have got this cute little hollow pouch or the twist hair tie. Both of these are $18. Then we have the Lip Love. It doesn't say that it's a lip oil. It says it's not a lipstick or lip gloss, it's a lip love. So they're saying it's something entirely different, but I would wager that it's more like a lip oil. This comes in Sahara and Coffee. I'm not 100% sure what shade this is. I can't find exactly a shade on mine, but I would wager that mine is Sahara because Coffee maybe would be brown. Then we have, oh my goodness, okay, then we have the Dirty Lamb oil. This is $52. For the love of all that is good, please don't spill it. Then the raw organic little wipe here is just a sample, so it doesn't have a value attached to it. And then we have the Kind Poppy Bath Bomb, which is $6.50. So all together, oh, ice cream calculator. found its head, but I can't find its body. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys the price of the lip oil. It's $16. Mine came to a total value of $92.50. And to me, for a subscription box like this, I think that is a pretty good value if you are somebody who is cruelty-free or you're vegan and you're looking to try out other things in the cruelty-free and vegan world, or you just want products every single month that you don't have to like guess if they are cruelty-free or vegan. And I think that is a pretty good value, and a lot of the value of the box itself comes from knowing that these products are 100% cruelty-free and vegan. And I would love to know what you guys think. Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. I would love to read them. And I'm gonna go quickly try to edit this video, and maybe if I edit it real fast, I could take like a tiny nap before work, which is all I could hope for, is tiny naps. Anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!